Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Cynthia Ortiz and today we'll be focusing on using related facts to add and subtract. Now before we get into the lesson, let's go ahead and look at some vocabulary. Add. Add is to put parts together to make a whole. You take part and part, put them together, make a whole. Here I took 3 and 2 and put them together to make 5. Subtract. Subtract is to take part away from the whole. So I have a whole and I separate it into part. Here I had 5 and I separated it into 3 and 2. Related facts. Related facts are basic facts that use the same numbers. For example, 3 plus 2 equals 5, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 5 minus 2 equals 3, 5 minus 3 equals 2. These are all related facts. Notice that I use the same 3 numbers for all facts. Okay, let's go ahead and start with our first example. 9 plus 7. I will hold a fist and say 9 and jump up 7 fingers. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Okay, now that I know that 9 plus 7 equals 16, this fact will help me find other related facts. For example, because I know this, I know that 7 plus 9 equals 16, right? All I did was flip my 2 parts. It doesn't matter which part I grab first, I still have 16 in all, right? I also now know that 16 minus 7 equals 9. And I know that 16 minus 9 equals 7. Part, put them together to make a whole. Part, put them together to make a whole. Or I can take my whole and separate it into the 2 parts, either by taking 7 away first and then the 9, or taking away the 9 first and then 7. Okay, let's go ahead and try a subtraction problem. 7 minus 2. I will go ahead and hold 7 fingers and drop 2. 1, 2. How many do I have left? 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Very good. Because I know 7 minus 2 equals 5, I can go ahead and list all the other related facts. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Well, then that means 7 minus 5 equals 2. If I want to separate 7 into 2 parts, I can either pull 2 away first and then have 5, or I can pull away 5 and then have 2. I also now know 2 addition facts. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And 2 plus 5 equals 7. Notice again, I worked with the same 3 numbers. I worked with 2, 5, and 7. Just with these 3 related facts, I was able to pull out 4 number sentences that are true. 7 minus 2 equals 5, 7 minus 5 equals 2, 5 plus 2 equals 7, and 2 plus 5 equals 7. 8 plus 4. What is 8 plus 4? I will go ahead and hold a fist and say 8 and jump up 4 fingers. Ready? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Very good. Now that I know 8 plus 4 equals 12, I know 4 plus 8 equals 12. I also know 12 minus 4 equals 8. And 12 minus 8 equals 4. Once again, I used the same 3 numbers. They are related facts, okay? 8 plus 4 equals 12. I can flip it and say 4 plus 8 equals 12. It's as if I have 4 marbles in this hand and 8 marbles in this hand. It doesn't matter which hand has which number, I still have 12 in all, right? 12 minus 4 equals 8, and 12 minus 8 equals 4. If I have 12 marbles and I put away 8, I have 4, right? But if I put away the 4, I have 8 in my hand, right? So just like with the last example, I used the same 3 numbers. They are related facts. Okay, ready for the word problem? It says, Luke saw 6 frogs. 2 were in the pond. The rest of the frogs were on a rock. How many were on a rock? Let's go ahead and start by circling what we already know. We know that Luke saw how many frogs? 6. 6 frogs. How many were in the pond? 2. We know that the rest were on a rock, okay? But we need to know how many were on the rock, okay? So we're going to take 6 and go ahead and take away the 2 that were in the pond. That means that the rest of them were the ones on the rock. So 6 minus 2. Hold up 6 fingers and take away 2. 1, 2. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frogs were on the rock. Okay, and if we wanted to create an addition number sentence using these related facts, we would say 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 frogs on the rock plus 2 frogs in the pond equals 6 frogs total. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Very good. Alright guys, that ends today's lesson on using related facts to add and subtract. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson and found it very helpful. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more learning videos. Bye guys!